No, this one was for graphics class, and this is where the logo stemmed. This is where the logo started for my channel. All right, guys. So this is the original design, guys. This is the original design. Drawing class, and this is what it came out to be after all the rendering and stuff, and eventually I got it upgraded. Arts Workfly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and as you can see by the title, today I will be showing you my art portfolio. These are basically old drawings that I did from high school to college. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's very old. Right here is very old. I had my alma mater crest right here. I covered it up with a butterfly, and I covered my name. Now this butterfly I actually made in college, the first year of college. So yeah, this was not actually black. I painted it black. It was like a color thing going on, and I painted it black. Now as you open, these are pages I got from my scrapbook from high school. So as you can see here, the pencil crayon that I used was not the best. All right, so this is it. Let me bring this up a bit closer, like that. So I did this in art class in high school, guys, grade 7. Now this one here I did in my spare time. I call it tangled. It's made out of cord, fly free. So it's a long time I've been using the word fly and bugs and stuff like that, as you can see, and flowers. So it's been a while I've been using that theme, fly free. So I have that going on here. This page here is actually from a storybook. I draw the images. This one here I did in, it's upside down, I did in high school. It's a poster. I did it in grade 7. I did this one in grade 8. It's from a book also. I did this one in high school, grade 8. Exam in progress. Yes. This one I did in my spare time as an entry to Edna. So this was an entry piece I wanted to show them. This one also. This one I did in grade 9. So this one I did in grade 9. I was not the best at shading, guys. This one I did in grade 9. This one I did in grade 9 also. Grade 9. I got a 96 for this one, A. What grade was this? I don't know what grade was this one. This one is letter writing, grade 9. This one is, I think, it's also grade 9. Yeah. So we're learning about posters, graphic design, and stuff like that. This one, this is a portrait of a lady. It was done as a drawing piece, as a SBA. This piece got the highest in drawing, therefore CSEC sent for this lovely piece of drawing. So that is what is written there. So I did do this as a CSEC piece, but it was on a large cartridge paper. So first we had to draw it on blank paper, then transfer the drawing. This one is actually block letter writing with my name. This one is, what is this? Proportion, still life. So this was basically the start of learning how to do still life. So yeah, So this one I did in grade 7 and see the butterfly theme coming out again, guys. So it's been a while. I've been loving butterflies, guys. So I use the different types of lines to create a butterfly. And for this, birds again, as I can tell you, I've been loving this theme for a while. So Scott's Bird Watchers Club, and those are my parrots. This a picture of a big piece called Bird Watchers Club. Alright, so this was done on a larger scale for graphic design for my exam. So this is the larger piece, but it was taken, the way the photo was taken inside of my portfolio, and this was it, guys. This one was another piece that I did called Paradise. It was a graphic piece for my SVA. So as I said, this is a smaller drawing. There's something underneath, no? Alright, so this was a SVA. This was the final SVA piece for one of them. Alright, so this one is a still life drawing for my SVA piece. Alright, so what I did was to gather these items from my home and drew it from my house, from my yard. Alright, this one was a still life done in class, and we did it for SVA piece. So this was what, grade 10. So I actually did it also in grade 11 for my SVA piece. This was another SVA piece. So this was the final SVA piece, guys. This is a picture of an imaginative piece, Life and Death. So this was Life and Death. I don't remember if this was a SVA piece, but yeah, this is it. This was a SVA piece, guys. And look at this. It wasn't drawn so well, but it was my SVA piece. So this is the final SVA piece, and it reads, "A man and beast. A man is tempted to kill what is a part of him. He has a knife in his hand, confused on whether to kill the dragon that is around him or not. He is confused because the dragon is a part of him, and if he kills it, he will also die. At the same time, the faint red in his face shows depression. The dragon acts as a protector. It comes out of him when he gets angry and kills everyone in his way, even his loved ones. The orange, red, and yellow are warm colors, and in this case shows anger." So that is what I wrote for my SVA piece, guys. This one I actually did in college, the first year of college, so it's not organized, but I did want to show you this one. I got 80 on this one. So the flowers coming out again. So we're supposed to write the letters of the alphabet in different styles. I would have done it a little bit better now that I understood a little bit more about these things. So I could have done a little bit better. This was a still life piece I did in grade 10. This was another still life piece. I think I did it in exam. A still life shading piece done for an exam during Christmas term in grade 11. This was a still life piece. I wasn't good on the shading at all. I'm now better at it, guys. I promise you. Look at it. This one was done in college, the first year of college. 3D design created by playing around with shapes. This is it. So this is where it started, guys, and then we did a mock-up of it. This one is a part of something else. If I can find a photo, I'll tell you all about this. But it's basically my design for installation that I did in college. This one here, we had some weird projects or weird assignments in painting classes. So what we were supposed to do is take picture of something on the ground, right, and then do different things with that. So do a mixed media piece, do an installation, do a mock-up, do everything using whatever we took on the ground. All right, so this is what I did, guys. There's something in between. What is in between? Only God knows. Oh, these in between are my process. All right, so this was the final setup, because after every assignment we need to set up like we're in a gallery or something like that. So these are my little processes. So this was the picture of what I took. These are the different processes that I did, and the different drawings. These are the little mock-ups, mixed media. These are the installations and stuff like that. Yeah, so this was my final setup. This was another installation going on here. It's supposed to be set up like a gallery again. Yeah, that was in college, guys. This is in college. This one I did in high school for a graphics piece. This I did in college again. Imaginative composition. This was a mural. I don't remember the theme. Painting done to honor Jamaica 50. It was a lot of explanation going on here, right? A whole heap of thing going on here. Coral reefs. I don't remember. Oh, I think the was art in context class, and this was the assignment that we got for it. This was the assignment that we got for this one. So back then, coral reefs were dying, so I was doing an installation or something to represent the coral reefs dying. Imaginative piece again. Now, this one is the first interior design that I actually worked on, first backdrop that I actually worked on, worked on or assist in working on. It wasn't my idea, but I assist in like stapling the cloth, etc. Alright. This one was a part of my CSEC piece. Also, it's called Kujus. Yeah, it wasn't taken so well with the camera. This is a piece done in college also. That one, don't remember. Oh, super ego. My super ego represented in drawing. So super ego going on here. This is my ID. I don't remember what ID stands for. This is my ID represented in drawing. What was the ID? Super ego. If I remember, guys, I put it on the screen. I don't remember what they call this ID. Super ego, ego, super ego, and I don't remember the other ones. So this one was it, alright? This one is a oil painting. So this one is an oil painting. So this is a photograph and this is my painting. This one is the same thing. This is a photograph and this is my painting. This is a watercolor painting. Don't remember what was the assignment for this one, but it was for drawing class. This one is an oil painting, a still life oil painting done in college. This one was done in drawing class using the Indian ink. This one, inspired by cocoa leaves. I don't remember what class was this one. This one is a painting. It was not done, even though it's still not done. This one was for drawing class. This one was done in high school, a bag, a stencil print bag. This one was done for my final year piece, so we assisted each other to create a big composition. So this was one of the pieces that I did. This one, college watercolor painting. Don't remember the assignment. Drawing class, 5 minutes. So each of them was done in 5 minutes. This was a 10-minute drawing. 5 minutes drawing here. I don't remember what was this, but these are drawings. Drawing class, drawing class, drawing class, drawing class, drawing class, graphic design class. I actually made this book for my sister, a Spanish book for my sister. Drawing class, drawing class. What is this? Block printing, high school, batik, drawing class, drawing class, the feet, drawing class, the feet again, drawing class, the hands, drawing class, done in drawing class, done in drawing class, drawing class again. Now this one was a mural that I did not get paid for, so I had to show multiple designs of the mural I think I wanted to put on the wall. I did part of the mural, didn't get paid for it. This one, graphic design class, drawing class. Now this one is in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. This one is in 20 minutes. This one is for drawing class also, wasn't done. This one is a 1 minute drawing for each. Painting class. Watercolor painting class, painting class, painting class, painting class again, painting class. No, this one is a mural. I still didn't get paid for this mural also. Still didn't get paid for this mural. I assisted in the design of this mural and didn't get paid for it. Now this one is an installation that I did. I don't remember what was the concept behind it, but that's an installation. This one was a still life done at home for in high school. Alright, no lie, this one is college, but first year, done at home. This one, I don't remember what class is this, but we actually had to make a mock-up of the stairs or something like that. This one was for painting class. It's a pastiche, for those who know this painting. This one was one of my projects in college. One of my projects in college. So this is how the windows used to be, and this is what I did to the window. Okay. Yes, so that is it. that's the project. Now this one was painting class. Arted class. Painting class. So we're supposed to do a mixed media of this right here. So this is the mixed media and this is my inspiration. Mixed media of the patty. Alright, so that is the photo. Photography class. Photography class. I also have some more in here. These were not taken so well. I had to take them back, take them over, but these are for photography class. Photography class. Painting class. Drawing class. And come to think of it, I don't remember seeing back this guy after first year. This was done in high school. This is embroidery. Yes, embroidery. So this is the map of Jamaica. This is a coconut tree. This is the lignum vitae, and this is the ackee. This one is macrame. It's a pot holder. This one, painting class. I'm in painting class, painting away. Painting class. So here my painting setup. Different things that we have, negative and positive drawings that we had to do. Monochromatic painting that we had to do. Yeah, and these were some of my classmates, our college mates. This again, the staircase. I don't remember the assignment, but trust me. This one again with the macrame. Photography class. So also photography class also. Photography class. Photography class. Ceramic class. So I'm making my pots. I have plenty more inside here. This is photography class. Photography class. Photography, and this was the first time I ever been in a dark room. Trust me, when you come outside it's a different thing, but look at it. I really like that process. This process here, I really like that process in photography class. Painting class, drawing class, ceramic class, graphic design class, ceramic class, fashion class, or textile class. What do you call this class? I don't remember the name of the class. Is either textile class, yes. So this is a basket. How to start the basket, how to start the weaving. This one was also introduction to basketry. So that's it right there. This one tie-dye done in what, grade 7? Let me see, grade 9. Done in grade 9. This one natural dye textiles class. This one was done at a VBS. It's a chain, a Bible cross chain. I don't know when this done. I think it was probably a spare time thing going on here. This one was for 2D class or 3D class. I don't remember the name of that class. Put photos showing dimensional space. It shows that time. I don't remember the name of this class. It's probably 2D class or 3D class or something like that. This one is the same class. Same class. So same class. This one, drawing class. No, this one was for graphics class, and this is where the logo stemmed. This is where the logo started for my channel. All right, guys. So this is the original design, guys. This is the original design. Drawing class, and this is what it came out to be after all the rendering and stuff, and eventually I got it upgraded. So yeah, and behind here I have some more pictures of ceramic pieces back here. So this is it. I'm doing the pottery right here. Alright, so that is it for my art portfolio, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know all your thoughts and comments in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please ensure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.